In this short and basic video, I will show you how to add assign value to a sentence in Microsoft Excel. Like this, if you change value, so it will change in this sentence. So just use this formula. Firstly, type your number, select this both cell, make changes as you need. Now type this formula, equal sign, quotation, type your sentence, quotation. And text, select it. Now select this cell, comma, quotation, dollar sign or pound sign to show in rupee or dollar. Hash and quotation. Now close bracket, S and quotation, and type your sentence here, quotation and space. Now press enter. Make here space. Now click anywhere. Press enter. Like here, you will see no space. So click here and make space. Like this. Now change value. Have to insert the number. So thanks for watching.